Good morning, children. Once again, your computer teacher is back with your first chapter, that is number system. In the previous class, I have already explained about types of number system and convert the binary number into decimal number. Now, in this session, I am going to explain you how to convert decimal number into binary number. So let's see how to convert decimal number into binary number. In decimal number, we already know that it is of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. And in binary number, there is only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Now convert decimal number into binary number. And first question is 1, 2, 4. What will be the base over here? Base will be 10 because it is a decimal number. And we have to convert it into binary number, so it will be base 2. Now, while converting the decimal number into binary number, always what we have to do, we have to divide the decimal number with 2. And we don't have to take any other number. Only 2 is used to divide this number. So let's see how to divide this number. 124. It will be divided by 2. While dividing it by 2, it will be 62. Now, there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. So, we will write here 0 because there is no remainder. Again, we will divide it by 2. Okay. While dividing it by 2, it will be 31. No remainder, then we will put 0. Again divided by 2, 15. Now, 15, that means there one remainder is left. Now, we have to write here 1 as a remainder. Again divided by 2, 7. Again one remainder is left. We have to write in the right side. Again 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1. So, when we will get 1, then only we are going to stop it. Now, how to write this binary number? We have to start from the bottom to up. Okay? This 1 will be written at the first. After that, this 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0. This is the conversion of 124 into binary number. What is the result? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So, you have to divide this decimal number by 2 until you will get 1. Okay. Now, just write it in your copy and try it. Now, I am going to give you the second example of it. Okay. Now, one more example I am going to give you. Just see and try to make it. Okay. While writing this in your copy, try some more questions so that you can understand it. One more example. 68. 10. You have to convert it into decimal number. 68 divided by 2. What will be the answer? That will be 34. Now here the remainder will be 0. Again we have to divide it by 2. It will be 17. 0 remainder. 2. 1 remainder, because 16 can be divided and 1 will be left, so it will be come on the right side. 2, 4, no remainder, that means 0. 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0. Again we will write it from the bottom to up. Okay, what will be the answer? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and the base will be 2. Why the base will be 2? Because it's a binary number, and here the base will be 10 because it's a decimal number. So I think you all have written it. Now the second point is binary. How to add the binary number. Now to add the binary number, we have to create one table. After that you can understand it very easily. Okay, let's erase it. Okay. Addition. Addition of binary number. It is very much similar as simple addition in mathematics, what we do. So just see the table how to do the simple addition in binary number. A, B, C equals to A plus B. In binary number there is only 2 digits. So we have to make the combination of these 2 digits. That is 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Now adding by 0 plus 0, it will be always 0. Now 0 plus 1, it will be 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. Now 1 plus 1. In binary number, 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So how to write 2? In binary number, 2 is written like this. 1, 0. 0 means here it will be 1. Here it is 2. 1 into 0 equals to 0. 2 into 1 equals to 1. So what will be the answer? 1, 0. 1, 0 indicates that it is 2. Now this is the table which you have to remember it. It will be helpful in your addition. So we can see some of the additions, how to do it. Okay. Now first question I am going to give you in binary addition 1 0 1 0 1 0 plus 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now what will be the answer? So adding this 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 is 2. Now how to write 2? 1 0. Now this is a binary number which has came here as a result. So what will be the answer? 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. This is the answer after adding these two binary numbers. Now the second question. I am going to give you the next example. 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 0 1. This is the question. Now we have to solve it. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ones are 1 2 3 4 5. Now 3 1 0 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 1 0. Okay. Now we will write here 0 and 1 will be given as carry. Again 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 10. Again here 0 will be written and 1 will be carry. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means it is 3. In binary number 3 is written as 1 1. How? This is the value 1 and this one value is 2. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. That means 11 is the binary number of 3. 11 is the binary number of 3. Now what we have to do? We will put here 1 and 1 will be taken as the carry. Again 1 1 plus 1. 3 ones are here. Again 1 1. Now here also 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 1 1. So what is the answer over here? The answer will be 1 1 1 1 0 0 base 2. This will be the answer. Okay. Now this is the simple binary addition. Now we are going to see how to subtract in binary number. Now we are going to see the subtraction of binary number. Just see. Now subtraction. Subtraction of binary number. Here also there is one simple table which you have to create and you have to learn it. Okay. Again A, B, A, B, C equals to A minus B. Again 4 rows will be created over here for the combination of binary number 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now what will be happen? 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 will be always 0. So here we are going to put 0. Now 0 minus 1. It will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now this is the table which you have to remember. Which you have to remember in the subtraction. Okay. Now we are going to solve some of the questions based on this table. Okay. Now I am going to solve some of the questions based on this table. First question. 1 0 1 0 1 minus 1 1
हाँ चलो.
Now we are going to do subtraction of binary number. Just solve this question. 10111 minus 10101. Now, how to solve this question? 10111 minus 10101. Now, the table which I have already explained you, according to that table, 1 minus 1 will be 0, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0. That means only what will be the answer? 1, 0. Because 0, 0, 0. Before it is starting from 0, so it doesn't have any value. As we have already seen in our maths, that if it starts with 0, it doesn't have any value. So what figure it will be? 1, 0. Okay. Now one more example I am going to see you. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now, 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now, here there is one twist, that 0 is a smaller digit and 1 is greater number. So, how we have to subtract it? In that case, what we have to do? We have to take one we have to take one number, borrow. We have to borrow one number. Okay. Now, if you are going to borrow 1 from here, this number will become 1, 0. That means it will be 2. Now, again, you have to borrow 1 from here. So, it will become 0 and this will become 1. Okay. And this number will become 0. Now, 1, 0 minus 1 will be 1. As we have already seen that 1, 0 means 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, 1 minus 0, it will be 1. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. And, okay. So, again, it is starting with the 0. So, from the third digit, we are going to see. What will be the answer? 1, 1, 0, 1. This will be the output. Okay. Now, I am going to give you some work that you have to do in your copy. And we do it in the rough copy and we are going to check that copy while school will open. So, you have to do that work. Don't ignore it. You have to do that work. Okay. Try it. A, zero plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay? Now, B, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1. C, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. D, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is the addition and subtraction And now you have to convert the decimal number into binary number. Okay? 146 into binary number. Convert it. Convert it. $283. Okay. Now, in the next session, here your chapter finishes. In the next session, I will give you the objective and subjective questions that you have to write in your copy. So, do this work. Have a nice day. Thank you.